Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a super fun set, either for yourself or to give as a gift, then you want this eco-friendly kitchen set from Skoy. This set comes with 4 Swedish dishcloths, which are really bright and cheerful with a flower print. It also comes with 2 non-abrasive scrubbies, which are also super colorful, and they do a great job at cleaning. In addition, it comes with a bright dish towel and a holder so that you can dry everything after doing dishes. All of the pieces clean very well. The Swedish dishcloth is great because it dries well, and then the scrubby that comes with it is a great addition because it also will take out anything extra that's remaining on your dishes. I also really like the dish towel because it gets everything dry, but it's very easy to dry and hang up as well. To put the holder onto your sink, this works by magnet. So it will hold the dishcloth as well as the scrubby, allowing them to dry really well so you don't have to worry about anything feeling germy. What's really nice about the set is that everything is super fun colors. They're absolutely vibrant and just really cheerful and fun. You will love using these in your kitchen. They work so well, and it's just a really fun, colorful set that will make you feel good while you're having to do your kitchen cleaning. And that's my point of view.